If you've ever thought about starting a print-on-demand store, you've probably had to decide whether to use Printify or Printful. Well, turns out that won't be a decision for much longer, because Printify and Printful are merging. That's right, two of the biggest pod companies will soon be one. The announcement was made on the Printify Facebook group earlier today. The combined entity will have a network of over 85 print providers across 117 locations, along with over 1,000 products for shop owners to choose from. Printful has been in business since 2013 and Printify since 2015. For the short term, the two companies will continue to operate independently. The Printify representative said that we should expect more updates in the coming weeks. Now, I've used Printify for many years and I've been quite happy with their product selection and quality. A lot of people use print on demand for apparel, but I tend to gravitate more towards the home decor products. Desk mats, mouse pads, and rugs are some of my best sellers. And I'm really curious to see what additional benefits Printful will bring to the table. I know many of my viewers use print on demand services, especially Printify, so let me know what you think of this news. I'll be sure to post any relevant updates in the coming weeks. If you want to try Printify, you can check out my affiliate link down in the description below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.